What if I told you this isn't just another SUV, this is Toyota finally letting loose? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR doesn't arrive quietly, it shows up with attitude. This is not the calm, everyday RAV4 you're used to. This one feels sharper, louder, and honestly more aggressive. From the very first look, you can tell something has changed. The body sits lower and wider, giving it a more planted feel on the road. That GR badge is not just decoration, it comes from Toyota's Gazoo racing division, and they are known for performance. The front grille looks bigger and more serious, and the air intakes actually have a purpose. Even the headlights feel intense, like the car is watching everything in front of it. Step inside, and the vibe completely shifts. This is not a basic SUV interior. The cabin feels focused on the driver. The seats are sporty and hold you in place. You see red stitching across the dashboard and seats, giving it a performance feel. The steering wheel feels tight and precise, like it belongs in a sports car. Everything around you is designed to make you feel in control. Then you press the start button. The car comes alive with a sound that feels different right away. It gives you that sense that this is not just about comfort anymore. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to bring a strong hybrid performance setup, possibly pushing over 300 horsepower. That means faster acceleration, instant response, and a much more exciting driving experience compared to the regular RAV4. It is not only quick in a straight line, it is also built to handle corners better and stay stable at higher speeds. And the best part is, it still keeps its practical side. You still get good space inside, you still get comfort for daily driving, you still get the reliability Toyota is known for, but now you also get a level of excitement that was missing before. The suspension has been tuned to feel tighter and more responsive, the chassis feels stronger, the all-wheel drive system works smarter to give you better grip and control. Whether you're driving in the city or on an open road, the RAV4 GR feels ready for it. What makes this car stand out is the balance it offers. Most performance SUVs lose comfort. Most family SUVs feel boring. This one tries to give you both at the same time, and that is what makes it interesting. Because people do not just want a car anymore. They want something that feels alive, something that makes them turn back and look at it after parking, something that doesn't feel dull after a few months. And this is exactly what this car is trying to deliver. The 2026 RAV4 GR feels like Toyota saying, "We understand what drivers really want now." It's bold, it's quick, it's practical, and most importantly, it finally feels exciting. So the real question is, are you ready for a RAV4 that actually makes you enjoy driving again?